Hello, study partners. Welcome back to the channel. If you're studying for Delta Module 1, you know that Paper 2 Task 2 is a big one. This is where you can demonstrate your ability to analyze the teaching materials like a professional. So it's worth a lot of marks too. 42, nearly half of the whole task, right? So yeah, stick with me for next 10 to 15 minutes and I'll give you the perfect formula. Yes, you're not wrong. Only 10 to 15 minutes because in the previous videos I took a lot of time and because I would like to do the details by myself. But here in this video, I would like to make it short. I have provided the video, I have provided the answers in the video, but I also want you to do it. So, well, let's dive in. There are 3 subtasks. The first one is part A is for purpose, and part B is combination, and part C is the assumption of the given lesson. To tell you the truth, before studying for Delta, I haven't thought much about that, and I just follow the curriculum or I just follow my own lesson plan. But after doing this one, I realized that, the goal of teaching things is not just to pass the exam, pass the Delta exam. It is also how to internalize the concepts. It's a great one. It has opened my eyes because after studying for this lesson, I believe myself that I can design better versions of the lessons. I know why. I have already known why, but it gives me more knowledge and it gives me the big reasons, the why behind the what. So I plan not only the lessons, I also take care of, adding the why things in my thinking when I prepare for the lessons. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So this is for A, Y. You can stop the video here. You can pause the video here and you can have a look at the notes. This is the notes my study partners shared me. So if they are useful for you, pause the video and note down some of the things. But as a teacher, I believe that you have already known pre-teach, activate schemata, provide the opportunity for personalization, scaffolding, reinforce the topic. You are already familiarized with the terminology. But check the question whether it is about reading or listening or speaking. For example, for the reading, it is about scanning or just reading or consolidate something. Okay. And this is for B, combinations and connections. It is talking about how you link the exercises. It's really a good one. I really like it. So pause the video here for a while and think of the concepts of linking the exercises. And sometimes exercise 1 with exercise 2, or maybe starters with another grammatical lessons, or maybe the whole lessons are connected. This is for C, assumptions, like the belief, why you have to do this, why teachers have to give students such type of activity. I even wrote down some of them when I prepared for the Delta for December 3rd. Yeah, I was going to take the test. Okay, so this is the lesson we study in class with our tutor. So you need to pause the video here. You have to give 6 purposes and also how they link, how the questions in exercises B links with exercises A, the question from exercises A, and you also need to give assumption. And this is the task. I have answered some questions, not some questions, all of the questions. For some questions, I answer by myself, and for some, I discussed with my study partners, and for some questions we did together with the tutor in our class. So I hope it will be useful for you. So good luck for your exam, and I also would like to see your answers in the comment sections, and please point me out if I make any mistakes here. I would like to check the answers together with you. So for task 2, as a bonus tip, what I would like to remind you again is that you are going to be given an extract from a course book or a teaching materials, and you have to analyze how the lessons are designed. When I first study the lessons, this part, I made a mistake because I did not think about the whole lessons. Actually, you need to think about the whole things here. The purpose of the extract as a whole lessons. For example, in this lesson plans, the target language is to teach and practice third person present simple statements to elementary learners. So all of the things have to be linked with the whole extract, the whole things, not only just one particular exercise. So don't make the same mistakes. Okay, so now you have the framework, you have the concepts, and you have the meta language. I have already provided everything. You name it, I have it. So your homework is to take the list, check the list, revise the list, and every time you look at a set of coursebook materials, apply these 3 questions. What's the purpose of it? And how it links, and what is the hidden belief? I would say hidden belief. It's just an assumption, right? So believe me, if you do that regularly, you will not only nail task 2, but also become a more and more proficient English language teacher, because this is what we are doing in our classroom every day, right? So good luck with your preparation, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Oops.